probably gonna turn around and come flying back towards you.
All right, I'll kind of stand like my feet over here, so it looks like the only way you can go is by that tree. Did you spook him yet?
No, there's just so much stuff in the way. Stay there. Stay there.
It's funny, he's probably freaking out.
Right? I wonder if I could just grab him with my hands.
Maybe, dude.
I might be able to. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put these nuts as a backup in case he turns around.
All right. This will be the best catch on camera. He's still just chilling out?
Yeah, carp are smart. They're a lot smarter than other fish. They're kind of like goldfish. They just don't move.
But they're just useless.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like, you can't eat them.
Okay. That's alright. I'm gonna grab this thing in my hands, I think.
All right. This is hilarious.
Stay there. Stay there. I'm gonna try to grab him on the head so he can't move. This is gonna be hard. I'm literally like 6 inches away from his face.
All right.
I might have to grab my net and start chasing him upstream in a second if he moves. My hands are around his head.
Are they really?
Yep, I just haven't closed in yet. He's going back. He's going back. He's starting to freak out.
Do you still see him?
Yep. I'm just going to slowly move him backwards to where I can get a good grip on him. Once he turns around and takes off.
I got my net right here.
I can't see his face, which sucks. I can only see the bottom half of his body. He's big.
You have him?
He's way up under the bank now.
Where'd he go? Oh, dude, nice. Holy moly. Did he go into your net?
Yeah, I positioned it so he'd go back into him. Yes.
He's bloody huge, dude.
Man.
Dude, pick this guy up. If he doesn't try to jump out.
Wow.
Wow indeed. The fact that he hid from us. Let me back up.
You're so big. Yeah, I don't think I could have grabbed him with my hands. He's too strong.
All right, here, let me hold